Oh snap, something happening with the 300. Battery lights on. My power steering won't turn all the way. Looks like the car's overheating. Car's making some weird sounds. But I'm almost home though, so we'll figure out what's popping off. Something is not right. I don't know what's going on. Just need to keep driving so I can make it home. I'm hearing some like clunking. I heard some like, I don't know how to explain it. It's just some like scraping sound or something. I don't know, yo. Yeah, something ain't right. I think the car overheated for sure. And the power is slow. Oh. Ooh, I hear something. I see smoke. I see smoke. Look at this. This car is leaking. Is this the water pump? Oh, snap, son. Oh, snaps. Oh, snaps. I'm scared to check in here. Make sure it's not too hot. Ooh. Disaster. Uh-oh. Coolant is bubbling. Let's see if I can get some more light on this. Dang, Gina. But this doesn't look too good. Woo! Something busted. Look at this. This is horrible. Yeah. We going to the shop tomorrow. I feel like the belt broke or something, because look right there. I don't see it on the alternator. I'm not even gonna look under here. Got my new shoes on. Ain't trying to mess my Reeboks up though. Can't mess those up though. So yo, check this out. I think the water pump is busted or something, because look at the trail. When I was driving home, it's like all in the street. You can see the line that I was just dripping liquids all the way through. I was trying to park, came backwards. So yeah, we taking this car to the shop. We'll figure it out, I guess. Oh, there it is. I see it. Look at that. You can see it right there. Looks like vine, all wrapped up. Broken at the bottom. Yep, there it is. Man. Morning, morning, morning. New day. So, diagnosis. Serpentine belt has been shredded. Yep. So I'm going to drive this car across the street, which is less than a mile. And I think I can make it, guys. Yeah, I think I can make it. It's less than a mile, so I shouldn't have any problems, and the car shouldn't be too overheated, and I'll be able to make it and then come back home. We'll see what happens. All right, moment of truth. Here's the risky chance we're gonna take. I better put that seatbelt on just in case, you know what I'm saying? It's too early, yo. All right, I gotta make it to the mechanics. Broken serpentine belt. See how good I can get there. Power steering is gonna be hard to turn because that's not gonna be working. I'm gonna see all kinds of lights in here, so let's see. We going for a journey, y'all. Gotta be quick. Don't know how much time I got. Oh, snaps. Oh, snaps. Oh, turn the wheel. I can't make the turn. Whew. All right. Man, that's like a workout trying to turn this steering wheel. No power steering right now, so I gotta be strong. There better not be any traffic. That's gonna suck too, guys. Car sounds funny. Oh, I gotta turn again. Woo. All right, let's go make the next turn. Slow down. Woo. My biceps are hurting. We almost there. Almost to the mechanic. Making good progress. No concerns right now. I can see the mechanic shop right in front of me. We're gonna get there quick enough though. Alright, we moving. Okay, here we go. Gotta turn. Alright, going to this next turn. Thank goodness this is close. Gotta turn really hard. Oh, I didn't even eat breakfast yet. Oh my goodness. Last turn. Okay, oh, there goes the other lights. Check engine light. All kinds of issues. Okay, I am here. Okay guys, wish me luck. Peace.